What happened with the flood damage here in New Jersey, certainly no laughing matter, but laughter is one way back. There's a 9-year-old in Cranford who wanted to do something to help his community rally from flood damage. So right here on Mohawk Drive, Liam O'Neill set up a joke booth. Make a donation, he'd tell you a joke. He's got them all, puns, riddles, knock-knock jokes. And people started showing up this week. In the end, Liam raised over $2,500 for Flag of Cranford. That is the town's frontline appreciation group. The money all going to help those affected by the storm. Very creative idea, Liam. A laugh when people really needed it. Liam just making Jersey proud there.